man.
Somebody should actually one for
Some English time money them are giving out.
Canada. So Canada money looking at.
Yeah.
Yeah. Danny British. Yeah. The Brits. Me high as a bumbo clot. Yeah.
Cut that motherfucker back.
Yeah. Everybody asks, who is it? Everybody wanna know, who is me? Everybody ask, who is it? Yeah. Who is me? Yeah, man. Danny British. Driving artist, couldn't drive cheap, too cheap. Burberry's on me. Clocks on feet like a London street. You know see, 400 pound OG. Ship it from the west, delivered in the east. Everywhere me go, you know me have me thugs and with me. Y'all hide the condom and say she want the picnic. Bob Marley, me a move, me not touch Whitney. Bun a rape a boy and kill a boy we touch Pitney. Bad mind and corruption fi flush quickly. Dirty politicians swear man a them sick me. Me a touching at the place, money I fi spend. Red wine boost me up, no need supply gel. I did that grow with them so I can fuck with them. Walk round 5Gs, such a park. Burberry 590, me pay for that.
Come down, you gotta stop.
Not, you're almost to 10. 2 more. 9, 10. Don't hurt yourself now.
She even caught me on camera. It wasn't me. She saw the marks on my shoulders. It wasn't me. Shorty came and she caught me red-handed, banging on the girl next door. Picture this, we was both butt naked, banging on the bathroom floor. All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me. To be a true player, you have to know how to talk. Outside again. God damn, me outside more than me in a house. Quick run to the DMV. No. I have to go register range. Register a truck last month.
Turn left, then turn right.
Range time I know. Okay. It's a government.
Turn right onto
And this you know give people
Boulevard.
for stimulus check and then you take this for my vehicle registration. You need that slap out of the money. Mr. President. We need money. We need money. Take a slap, Mr. President. Mr. President. Why the money so little bit?
At the next stop,
And then you cover blood clot. Tell me say me have to pay vehicle registration every year. But man, you can't just make me register my vehicle for 5 years and done. Sell me soon, sell them vehicle and buy private plane. That's true, money not so up yet for the plane. Yeah. Right now me have a drink. Me call this the Danny British Lean. Yeah.
Not rough to
You
drink.
can't handle this.
Not rough to drink the purple juice, man.
Not true. Then the purple juice give the lean color. That's why me call it the British lean, cause the purple juice
Like, fuck.
give the purple color, but I don't lean. A Hennessy, I couldn't even tell you all why night. Me have a purple drink in it, me have Hennessy in it, me have ginger ale in it, me have 2 lime in it.
So
Yeah.
purple drink is made out of like pomegranate, carrot, mulberry,
And the purple-
blueberries, cherries.
Go past this
Purple
light.
drink of
Then at the
whole
next
heap
one,
of fruit,
turn
all
right.
natural. Yeah, so that's what it is. Monster chuck the blood clot in a real life. Me don't want to see this. Man, I can't. Me the only person in the world don't like the DMV. No matter how me try going at the DMV with a positive spirit, me come out conquered every fucking time. Every time, bruh. Like me going at the DMV now. Pay for my registration in full. But my vehicle don't register. Why? Me have to go get my vehicle smog. That shit crazy. So now, at 5:12, all of the smog shop closed. So one fucking day thing turn into 2 fucking day thing. But man, DMV, you know if you have your own smog shop then, man. Bumper rascal. And then you know send me no notice, so me need to get smog. Nor nothing. So me no come prepare for the smog. So now tomorrow me have to go take me day and smog. Yo! Man, you don't need to suck a big fat chop. Yeah. You're just kicking it. Just kicking it. Yeah, there's a kick on the island, yeah. With your green dress at why your green dress at up on the ground, bruh? Yeah. Yeah, you just have to play with mommy. Yeah, you're separated. That are the Hondo. Them they are the dub. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you put your big bills them over there, so yeah. All little bills to this side. Yeah. Oh, this is mine? Oh, thank you. Go shopping. Oh, I'm a girl, you know. Hey, you going to take care of me, you know. Yeah, take care of daddy, man. You give daddy your bills, bruh. Yeah. Me don't care if you waste your money after that. Yeah, you gotta throw money for the ground now. A big baller, you know. A big ball of money all over for the ground. That's how you're doing it. Where you do? Climb down now, you get to the money. You get to the money. My girl, I get to the money. The girl, I get to the money. Yeah. Yeah, you rob the bank, man. You're cut now. You're cut with it. Yeah. 20s. That's 20. And that's 120. Yeah. Great strength. Just enough wine for the day.
The organic juice. Yeah, organic.
Mine you pour out some of that is it when you're looking.
You look good though, Daddy. What do you mean? Hot step up. Can't let him outside. Where the girls at? Yeah, yeah. Oh, and you take, oh, when the sun glisten on the skin, what? What? Lotion needed. Okay. You say you're ashy.
Yeah, DMV, all set. Yeah, them say everything look good, everything passed, no issues. Them say it's a California thing. Shout out to California still. California make me rich, so I have nothing to say against you. I can't live here, you know. I see enough people a blood clot run from California that talk about, oh, it's the non-binary stuff. It's the homosexual stuff, the LGBTQ. You know, to blood clot like. A broke, you know, I get broke. That, you know, when things I get expensive and it's cheaper if you live in a Texas, it's cheaper if you go live in a Colorado, it's cheaper if you live in a Florida, it's cheaper if you live in a Georgia. When I run from the expense, when I have to make money in a California. If you're not making money in California, it's not for you. This is the place for doctors, lawyers, engineers, everybody else where they hustle hard. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, people where they grind. You see what I'm saying? If it's a place where you just want a little breather, where you just want, and you not really make more than average income, yeah, go stress every day because California don't have no rent cap. You fuck, you pay $2,000 for rent, by the time you look at $3,000, they push that up. $600. Yes, you rent 30 to $2,600. You know how much time $2,600 a month show off people? Come on, man. Yeah. Anyway, back to my life. Right now, DMV done and everything, so right now, my vehicle dirty, so I carry it around and I car wash, because I see some Mexican around the road that wash some car. So I go see what them are going and give them a try. You see me, I say, Bubbles, don't get mad. I know I always wash my car over the years. I don't go to nobody else, but guess what? Don't get mad. I just try a think I close, you know? Yeah. You know, say I have me same way. All of my luxury vehicle, from the blood clot, Audi S6, the Audi A5, the Mercedes. I can't my Mercedes go make you wash it. I think you wash the Mercedes. No, you don't wash the Mercedes. The Mercedes not come California. You don't wash everything else though. The Range Rover. I don't so wash my Rolls Royce and my Bentley. I nearly buy a Bentley the other day. But my virgin I use my truck, so I put a blood clot trade in my truck for the Bentley. And then it would have been too much to buy the Bentley now. I have Bentley, truck and the Range. Oh, it's just too much. And a family. No, I mean I live above my means, you know. Yeah, I mean I have to prove to people that I'm rich. You know, I have to prove to myself that I'm comfortable every day. Yeah. Yeah, me go around and Mexican them. Boy, me don't like them price they want me see. Me never gonna lie to your blood clot. Me never like them price there. Papa say 190, see? 190. And me a saying on my head say, if you clean out the inside and everything, Papa say, yeah, I got you. 190 plus the car give me $15 off, I think. Yeah, $15 off. So I say, alright. Somebody that me think about Bubbles. I say, $39 me that pay Bubbles. I did wash my car and come in and come clean out inside and my car no dirty inside. When I say, oh, me need to pay $190. Man, I was like, F that. The time say me call him, I circle the block. Man, me just save myself $190. I ain't spending my $190 for nobody. $66. Where is the bottle of Henny?
So this is your start right here. I think you need that way, and then this is your start, right?
This is the kill switch. You turn that on.
Okay.
This is the backup key. Is this the right key? Don't put that in.
shit.
How we do that? Gotta have the kill switch on. Let me see. I'll learn. You gotta hold something down right here.
You good. Not while I'm on it. Man, I don't need to go through that goddamn.
I'm gonna have to go look this through right now. Let me check that out.
Here. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Just dips out.
Back
There's
in the days,
there's
huh?
a wheelie on
Remember
here?
if we put on this stand?
Okay. You got it. I'm gonna have to Google that right now. Okay, we got
Yeah,
the-
I think you hold this. You hold it
My
down.
mama used to ride bikes, you know. Yeah, get flashback.
And when I was a little kid, I
The
could
homie
barely
buy a
even
brand
touch.
new bike. Yeah, no play with the homie, you know.
Yeah, so these are your back pegs, like when you're on the freeway or something.
Yeah, I got a lot to learn right now.